Order Piratoplast eye patches. We show you how. The first step is to get a prescription from your orthoptist or ophthalmologist. The order form is ready for you, either in the practice, on our website or in your pharmacy. Now it's getting exciting. Choose your favorite designs together with your child. But be careful with the sparkling stone designs. Only choose one of them, as these are very special. Make sure you choose exactly 10 packs at all. But what is the right size for your child's eye patch? Don't worry, your orthoptist or ophthalmologist will tell you. You can also see this information on the prescription. Then enter the gender of your child and optionally the name. Now go to the pharmacy of your choice and simply hand in the completed order form with the prescription. By the way, our eye patches are categorized as medical aids and are fully reimbursed by your health insurance company.